This morning, your phone set your alarm. Your weather app loaded the current temperature. Your bank updated your balance. Google Maps calculated the fastest route. All of that happened in seconds automatically without anyone lifting a finger. And now your employees arrive at the office and type data by hand from one system into another. The same work an API does in 40 milliseconds, every day, hour after hour. This video explains, simply, without technical jargon, what an API is, how it works, and why it's indispensable for every company today, with real examples straight from PaperOffice AI. API stands for Application Programming Interface, but forget the technical term right away, because the idea behind it is so simple that anyone who has ever been to a restaurant will get it. You're sitting at your table, you're hungry, the kitchen is 20 meters away, but you don't walk in yourself, you don't call the chef, you talk to the waiter takes your order, walks into the kitchen, passes the order on, the kitchen prepares the dish, the waiter brings it back. You don't need to know how the kitchen works, which ingredients are used, how the stove is set. You simply get the result. That is exactly what an API is. Your system is the guest. Another system is the kitchen. The API is the waiter. It takes the request, passes it on, and delivers the answer back. Without a waiter, chaos. With a waiter, a smooth process. Without an API, manual work. With an API, automatic in milliseconds with no mistakes. Now here's something that will surprise you. You already use APIs every day without knowing it. Not just at home, at the office too. Your CRM talks to your ERP, your calendar syncs with your team, your shipments are tracked in real time. All of it happens in the background, automatically, without you even noticing. But in every company there are processes that aren't connected yet, not automated yet, where a person still sits between two systems, moving data by hand. That's exactly where PaperOffice AI comes in. Not as a single tool, but as a platform of specialized APIs that close those gaps. APIs that read and understand documents. APIs that speak. APIs that convert. APIs that verify, APIs that connect, everything that used to be done manually, fully automatic, with a single API call. Everyone knows OCR. Scan a document and the text becomes readable. But classic OCR has a problem almost nobody talks about. It reads, but it doesn't understand, it guesses. An 8 instead of a 3 in an invoice total. A wrong IBAN, a wrong medication dose. Classic OCR has no context, no understanding, no quality control. PaperOffice AI OCR is different. It's LLM-based. Our models understand the document, they recognize layout, tables, hierarchies, and return exact bounding box coordinates for every element they detect. The result: Markdown, JSON, sandwich PDF, searchable, archived to compliant, in 139 languages. With 100% accuracy at human level. And as the only provider in the world, we create LLM-based searchable PDFs from scanned documents. And when you don't need the whole text but specific data, that's the job of the IDP API. IDP stands for Intelligent Document Processing. You write in plain language what you need. Extract the supplier, invoice number, total amount, and due date. That's it. Zero shot, no training, no templates, no preparation. The system has never seen this document before and extracts instantly, with bounding boxes, a confidence score, and a page number for every field, in 47 milliseconds, backed by more than 800 specialized language models. And here's what sets PaperOffice IDP apart from every competitor. Bounding boxes are always included. No other LLM-based IDP provider in the world delivers exact coordinates for every extracted field. This structured data is the starting point for everything else. Automate workflows, connect systems, trigger decisions, fully automatic with no human involvement. It's called Agentic AI. How it works and what it makes possible, we've shown in detail in a separate video. You'll find the link in the description. Second example, imagine your company answering requests automatically, not in text but in speech, natural, human, in the customer's language. The PaperOffice AI text-to-speech API does exactly that, Text in, a natural voice out. Listen for yourself. Good afternoon, thank you for reaching out. Your request has been processed successfully. And it gets really interesting when the voice doesn't just speak, but actually answers. A customer calls. Outside business hours, no employee available. Before, voicemail. The customer waits. The customer is unhappy. Today, the text-to-speech API is connected to your inventory system, your shop, your customer database. The customer asks, the API queries the database in real time, and the voice answers with the real data, instantly, precisely, in their language. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's not science fiction, that's an API call. Third example, you know the feeling. A colleague sends you a Word document, you convert it to PDF, you open it, and then the table is shifted, the font is wrong. The carefully designed report looks like it went through a meat grinder. That happens when you use the wrong technology. LibreOffice-based conversions interpret Microsoft Office formats, and interpret means guess. The PaperOffice AI PDF API does it differently. Native Microsoft Office conversion. That means Word to PDF exactly as it looks in Word. PDF to Word, a one-to-one layout, tables, columns, formatting, everything preserved, everything editable in under 2 seconds. One API call, file in, perfect result out. Never a broken layout again. You've seen 3 APIs today, 3 of many. Each one solves a real problem. Each one saves time. Each one runs fully automatically while your people focus on what really matters. That's PaperOffice AI. No software to install, no platform to set up for months. Specialized APIs that you integrate into your existing systems and that deliver results right away. APIs aren't the future, they're the present, and whoever integrates them today is a step ahead tomorrow. Find out now about the integration options and how to implement them into your existing infrastructure. All the details about the PaperOffice AI API platform are at the link in the description or directly on our website. And if you want to see how these APIs become fully autonomous processes, you'll find our Agentic AI video in the description as well.